In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Steam games recognize your Logitech G923 first. Make sure your wheel has the right software and drivers. Head to the Logitech website and download the latest Logitech G Hub. Run the installer. Plug your G923 directly into a USB port on your PC, and open G Hub once the install finishes. Give it a moment to detect your wheel and allow any firmware or driver updates it prompts you to install. When G Hub sees the G923, follow the on-screen calibration by turning the wheel lock to lock and pressing the pedals fully. This ensures Windows in your games get accurate input right from the start. Next, we'll prevent Steam from interfering. Steam input is great for gamepads, but it can conflict with native racing wheel support. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that isn't recognizing the wheel, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Controller tab. You'll see a drop-down for Steam input. Change this to Disable Steam input. This tells the game to talk directly to your G923 through its native wheel support rather than through Steam's remapping layer. Close the window to save if you play multiple racing titles. Repeat this per gram AMI, so each one handles the wheel natively. Now let's confirm Windows itself sees the wheel correctly. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type joy.cpl and press Enter. This opens the Game Controllers panel. Look for Logitech G923 in the list. If it's there, select it and choose Properties to test the wheel and pedals. Inputs should respond smoothly as you turn and press. If you don't see the G923 listed, or inputs don't move, return to G Hub and make sure the device is detected and not paused. Then close and reopen any games so they pick up the device properly. If you still have issues after these checks, do a clean reinstall of Logitech G Hub. Uninstall G Hub from Windows. Restart your PC to clear any stuck drivers, then download the latest version again from Logitech and install fresh. Open G Hub, let it detect the G923. Complete calibration and then relaunch your Steam game with Steam input disabled for that title. That's it. Thanks for watching.